My name is Dr. Marissa May, and in this video, we're going to take a look at a solving order of operations problem. Now, you'll remember that the order of operations says that we do parentheses first, then exponents, multiply or divide, then add or subtract. Now, in this problem, you'll notice that we do have a parentheses, so we're going to start there. Notice that we have 7 times 6 inside that parentheses, so we're going to start with the 7 times 6, which gives us 42. Now we're not done inside of the parentheses, so we want to continue our next step to solve the 42 minus 35, which would give me 7 inside of that parentheses. Now you'll notice I dropped the parentheses symbols at this point because we're no longer needing them. Now we come out of the parentheses and we look for exponents. We don't have any, so we get to skip that step. Then we do multiply or divide. I don't have any either. So I get to go all the way down to subtraction because that's the only operation that I have left. And so I can subtract here. 12 minus 7 does give me 5. And that's how we simplify this expression using the order of operations.